COVID vaccination underway in Balisang High School. Good morning, you're watching Karbiang on Live with your host Rongpi. And now let's hear the news in detail. As a task to stop the spread of COVID-19 pick-up pace in the nation, the authority is now beginning to reach out to the people of rural areas for vaccination. The same is being done in different parts of Assam with health workers reaching out to people and setting up vaccination camps in the locality.
Seeing surge of COVID cases in the Balisang area, the Biswanath District Administration set up vaccination center at the Balisang High School. The center had begun vaccinating people of age group 45 and above. Health officials informed that the age group 18 to 45 will get vaccination very soon as per the availability of vaccine doses. Along with vaccination, the center is also conducting RT-PCR tests of the people to trace the spread of the virus in the area. Local Balisang Gaon Panchayat President Ratul Nath and his team are supervising the work to ensure that maximum population gets the vaccine doses. Chandra Singh Rongpi's report from Biswanath, Karbiang Long Live.
In a sad news which came on Friday, Moniram Rongpi, former ward commissioner from Ward number 7 of the Dipu Town Committee, passed away. His demise had left everyone shocked and shattered. Moniram Rongpi was elected to the DTC in the year 1987 from Ward number 7. He was very honest and sincere towards his work and admired by many. He had done several developmental works in his ward during his tenure. Dedicated towards the society, he had also been a member of the Dipu Karbi Club. From a long time, Rongpi was suffering from paralysis and was undertaking treatment. On Friday, he lost the battle of life and breathed his last at his own residence in Rongteang, Dipu. Born on March 18, 1944, Moniram Rongpi was 77 years old at the time of his passing. He had left behind his wife, 2 daughters and 4 sons and grandchildren. Moniram Rongpi will be fondly remembered for his contribution towards the society. News report, Karbiang Long Live. The Karbiang Long police on Friday arrested 3 persons during an operation carried out at Balijan Khanbasti area under the Khatkati police station, during which suspected heroin, cash money and mobile phones were recovered. Here's a report.
The anti-drugs operation was carried out in Balijan, Khanbasti by the Khatkati police after receiving input from its sources about the drugs business, which is operating in the area since long time. The 3 persons arrested by the cops were identified: Munwara Begum, wife of Ali Hussain, Dildar Hussain and Anwar Hussain, son of Ali Hussain, all residents of Balijan Khanbasti. The suspected heroin recovered weighs about 20.90 grams. 14 mobile handsets and cash money of rupees 3,60,000 were also recovered. In this regard, a case under 11 sections under the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act was registered against the arrested persons. Khatkati Police Station SI Mridul Rudra Pol informed that the operation was carried out at 4:30 p.m. by the police team led by OC Khatkati SI UB Moblik Brahma, assisted by SI UB Charan Mahan Singha Chetia of Khatkati PS, ASI Arun Kumar Nath, IC Karagaon and staff. Anantarang's report from Bokajan for Karbiang Long Live.
Nilip Mahina has lauded Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma and Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Ronghang for taking initiative to waive off the loans taken by the poor women from microfinance institutions. This was expressed in a press conference held on Friday morning. Women group led by Priya Hansepi, Kakrung Taropi and Jesse Katarpi, among others, during the conference lauded the State Chief Minister and KAC Chief for taking up the issues related to the extreme hardships of women of Nilip constituency are facing big difficulties to pay big money taken from microfinance institutions. The women group lauded KACCM Tuliram Ronghang for listening to their appeals and taking up the issue at the state level. The women group further reiterated that they would continue to fight for the women of the constituency.
Pini labang so kerang yang mahu ni tu kan untuk alam kita dah hello kita tang 2019 pen ni tu Mars ceklo pen ni tu labang so microfinance apa ni tu cisong bom bang bom non 2021 ante nitum labang so kachi song alam klar nilitum chipinang koklo lasi nombor si pendam lo nang nombor si ke elitum microfinance pu Assam pen labang solam nangle rock pen aposi microfinance aphan itum chisong lo na muhila tu makisung kiduk alama puthak itum peklang lo na lapen kithe kiding akeng ri tum dam lo nang pu pen aposi Assam muhila pen pen chenglo nilitum nili pa muhila tum samini tum sapodo nang thek chipidul si nitum halabang sor ni pen 2019 pen non 2021 an tamit nilitum labang so ka chisong ang thek peklang lo lapen labang so chisong bom kun hut nilitum nitum ke thek o bole nilitum ke chuk ka chisong kali bonta nili barat akisung akiduk adoy ni pen si nilitum thek thedes setame nilitum arleng ke the tu making ri nilitum humri dam nang ko alam thek la hello athe mahalabang so 2019 aning kan nili barat muhila tum elabang so microfinance alun ka chu enden pen apot pinangan atum pressure stroke lapen pinangan atum paralyzed lapen pinangan atum kichi ke jang do la poson stami dolo lun kitun e pen apot pinanso kachikak lapen kichi ke jang la poson tami dolo labang son ning kituk nilitum chekhangon e sinilitum CM sar kengri anilitum dam nang koklo la silabang so akita malong mate nitum makache songlong CM sar kana ke ropilo pipod ma bulotang te ha 2019 pen nilitum makache song along CM SARS kami nang chingki pipo lapen laki Assam ben salam kami nang kiklang aposi Assam jong si nang litu mapan rihai lo pelotante Assam sorkar pensi labang so alam ke nang litu mapan rapon popusi CM nitu mapanang thanlo.
It may be mentioned that Assam Microfinance Institutions Regulation of Money Lending Bill 2020 was passed in the State Assembly in December 2020 and is now awaiting Governor's note. Sonjit Cross report from Chokihola for Karbi Anglong Live. That is all we have for today. Thanks for watching Karbi Anglong Live and stay safe.